Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Orlando and I am going to help you get into your first rental property, guys. And one of the questions that I always get is, can you get into real estate with no money down? And the answer to that is yes. And we're going to talk about one of those ways. And one of those ways is getting a hard money / private loan. So let's talk about the first pro. The first pro is that you will get the 100% financing that you so desire, which is no money out of your pocket. And a lot of times this is great because you're looking for the money. You're trying to figure out, where am I going to find this money? I don't have 20, 30, 40, even $10,000 to put down to get into real estate investing. But hard money / private money allows this to happen for you. Pro number 2 is speed, guys. A lot of times you need to get the deal done fast. Maybe you have a seller that is motivated and they want to get the deal done now. We want it done now. And so hard money allows you to do this. The normal time is around 2 to 3 weeks to get it done. But most of the time, if you have a good relationship, you can get it done in 1 week. 1 week, guys, you get the deal done. So this is a great pro to help individuals out, get the deal done fast, get the property into your name, into you owning and having ownership and getting into your first property. Pro number 3 is great. This is less paperwork. A lot of times people get overwhelmed with the paperwork that a normal conventional loan allows. The hard money lender will take a look at the property and pretty much give you the loan based off of the values of the property, which allows individuals not to be bogged down with P&Ls and all this other stuff and credit and all the paperwork that you would normally get with a conventional loan. Okay, so let's talk about the cons, because there are cons, guys. So con number 1 is higher interest rates. You're going to be paying somewhere between 10% to 15% on a hard money loan, guys. I know if you're out in California, it's probably cheaper than that, probably 8%, but that's neither here or there. The point is you're going to be paying a higher interest rate. You won't be getting these sweet 2% loans that are going on right now. You're going to be paying higher. Now, I know a lot of times people say, well, Orlando, this sounds like credit card rates. It is. It is higher interest rates that feel like a credit card. And not only are these higher interest rate, guys, but you have to understand these are interest only loans, meaning that at the end of the term, you will have to pay a balloon payment. So just remember, interest only, and you will still at the end of the loan owe the loan amount that you got into the loan. If it was a $100,000 loan that you got, then $100,000 you will owe at the end of the term. You are just paying them interest only. So con number 2 is a short term. Normally the terms are 6 months to a year, guys. I know that is very, very short, but you have to remember, hard money lenders do not want to be in long-term loans. They are trying to get in and get out and give money to the next person. They are not like conventional banks where they are trying to hold on to the property for 30 plus years or 25 years. They're not doing that. They are in it for a fast turnaround. And remember, if you do want to extend that term, you will have to pay extra for that, guys. So be wary of that. So con number 3 is that most hard money lenders are not nationwide. They're going to be in your backyard. They're going to be in your locale, guys. And the reason this is that hard money lenders do not want to lend to someone in another state and they're in another state. They want to know what all the laws and rules are for that state. It's just a safer proposition when it comes to lending. If you're lending in your backyard, you know what the values are. You know exactly what's happening in the city or state. So they don't have to really worry about that and just kind of having a question mark of what's happening with that economy. So it makes it a little bit harder to find, guys. It really does, because hard money lenders do not do a lot of advertising. They normally go by the word of mouth. They do have a website, but it's, once again, it's still a little bit harder to find them. So the question is when does it make sense for you to get into a hard money loan? So the answer to that is, if you're looking for 100% financing, but you know that you're gonna turn this deal around very quickly. It works a lot for flip and fix, guys. Some long-term hold individuals use it if they're getting a deal on the property and they know they can get into a regular conventional loan after, meaning that they're buying the property undervalued. So if you're going to refinance this property in 6 to 12 months and you know it, and you know the property value is there, this is a perfect time to get that 100% financing, no money down on getting into a rental property, guys. That's a perfect time to do it. So I hope you got value out of this content, guys, and I want you to click on this next video, guys. You want to get into real estate, right? I told you that I'm going to help you get into your first rental property. And if you want to get, you got to watch this next video, guys. It will really help you, and it's important. I'm holding you to your word too. You want to get into real estate because I'm going to give you all the information I have. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.